So the question is about how to design a lens with asphericity in it when the starting point is a lens with an oval OC, and the asphericity is for the purpose of giving the patient a slightly larger treatment zone to help reduce glare and halos at nighttime. So this is the same lens right now. We'll kind of keep the starting point on the left untouched as a reference, and then we'll make our changes on the right side. We do have to turn the blending back on if we're going to go with asphericity, and let's go to a plus 20 is usually what I start with. Whoops. All right. It's an oval zone, so the first thing I'll do is reset our discrepancy in demand in the vertical versus the horizontal. So I think we had about a diopter and a half. If we're at 63 here, then we want about 70 plus 77, I guess, or plus 87. So in 50%, too much. Okay, and then we have to do the same thing down below since we're in freeform. All right, so there's about a diopter and a half differential. And then what we need to do is reset our total demand. So we were starting with 6.0 on the side, but this was the blending turned off. I'm going to turn the blending on so we have more of an apples to apples comparison, and 591. So right now we're at 732 in 100% mode. We're going to reduce this, speed this up. All right, so we're at 591. Let's make sure we still have the diopter and a half here. And let's see, 138 to 6 is 144, so we're pretty close. If we want, we can always bump this a little bit more. Nope, got the powers mixed up there. So should be a plus 12 approximately. So we want to bump this one a little bit. All right, now our demand is off again a little bit, so we can readjust that. And it might not come out exact, but 147 and 5. Okay, so now we still have about a diopter and a half. Our demand matches the original, and you can see that the curve has shifted itself back. So this is how the lens will look with an aspheric or a shape factor added in. And our powers will be very different because it's an average of the central powers, and our base curves will be different since wave shows an average there. This does make the optics a little bit funny since it's a spheric. Also keep in mind that for a -5 total power, especially in the vertical meridian, I mean, we're still molding quite a bit within the pupil, so hopefully this lens will be better than the prior lens, but it's going to be very difficult to get rid of halos and glare altogether in a case like this. So hopefully the video helps. Best of luck with your patient, and thanks for watching.